Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change video resolution in InShot. If you want a video to look professional, choosing the right resolution is essential. High resolution give clearer, sharper videos, while low resolution make file sizes smaller for easy sharing. And in this tutorial I'll show you exactly how to change the video resolution in InShot step by step so you can export videos exactly how you want to. First, you need to open the InShot on your phone, and once you reach into this interface, in the top right we can find the settings icon. Select there. Over here we can go to this video setting. Inside this setting interface, here you can select to this video resolution and select any of the resolution you want, and after that anytime you edit any of the video, it will automatically set to the resolution that you have set it to your video setting of your video resolution. And that is it. InShot will process your video according to the chosen resolution, and your video will be saved to your gallery at the resolution you have selected. And that is it. That is how you can change your video resolution in InShot. By selecting the right resolution, you can make sure your videos look sharp, professional, and perfectly suited for any platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any queries or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.